Today's special guests are
Mr. and Mrs. Lincoln.
Hi, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Time for math.
So what we're going to do is roll dice, and then we're going to multiply the numbers that come up. Whoops.
Do you have to have a partner to play this?
No, not really. You can do it yourself. It's good practice, actually. It's a lot of fun.
Yes. All right. Will you show us how to do it?
All right. So here we rolled a 2 and a 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. Simple.
Put it down, Mr. Lincoln.
This
My
is gonna
turn.
take a while then. I don't have a...
2 times 1. Oh. Boys and girls, you know, did you meet our special Audrey yesterday? So Miss Audrey's upset. So I'm going to quiet her down when Mr. Lincoln rolls.
1 times 6 is 6. All right. Hey, look at that. I'm lucky. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10.
You know, one of the things you could do, boys and girls, is you could do a contest with your, it's a farm here. You could do, a competition between you and your brother or you and your sister. And whoever gets to 100, tell them, whoever gets to 100 first wins.
Win. 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 5 is 20.
so you keep recording your answers on your paper,
Yes.
and whoever gets to 100 first wins the game. So you have to record all your answers.
I won!
Yay! Thank you for the warm-up, Mr. and Mrs. Lincoln.
Bye, everybody.